As I mentioned, designing a room well can be broken down into 10 distinct steps. So, what are these 10 steps? Well, without any further ado, here they are. Step 1, measure your room. Step 2, decide on your key activities. Step 3, choose your style. Step 4, choose your color scheme. Step 5, choose your rug. Step 6, choose your furniture. Step 7, choose your wall art and wall decor. Step 8, choose your lighting. Step 9, choose your window coverings. And last but not least, step 10, choose your accessories and your greenery. During the course of this training, I will be breaking down each of these 10 steps in detail so that you walk away with the knowledge that you need to replicate this 10-step approach all on your own. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and get started.